The little sea turtle hatched from its egg after 120 days. It looked around and realized that it was left all alone. The other hatchlings had already left their eggs 2 months earlier and headed towards the sea in search of their mother. Since birth, the little turtle's left fin was smaller, so it had to struggle a lot to get out of the sandy pit. Just then, it saw a shining fire on the seashore. The little turtle was very curious and slowly began to crawl towards the fire. Seeing the fire up close, it was greatly fascinated. Suddenly, a burning piece of coal fell right in front of it. It mistook it for food and licked it with its tongue, which burned its tongue. Just then, it noticed an empty packet of chips thrown away by humans. The little turtle crawled inside it and took another bite, but the chips were very spicy. Its tongue started to burn. It immediately began to clean its tongue with sand. Then it saw a glass bottle on the seashore. It started moving towards it. It saw its reflection in it. For the first time, it realized that its left fin was indeed very small. At that moment, a voice came from the other side of the bottle and a small crab came out. The little turtle politely greeted the crab and the crab responded. They both became good friends. The crab taught the turtle how to make bubbles and the turtle tried. Just then, a bird came down. It picked up the crab. The crab waved its claws and said goodbye to the turtle. At that very moment, another bird spotted the little turtle. The turtle tried to run away, but it was too slow. The bird quickly caught it, tossed it into the air, and swallowed it. The turtle was in darkness. He was scared. Then suddenly, the bird felt a tickle in its throat and spat the turtle out. The turtle landed on the seashore. At last, he had reached the sea. At that moment, another turtle came drifting in with the waves. The little turtle wanted to talk to it, but that turtle didn't respond at all. The little turtle saw that a piece of plastic was stuck around its neck. With great effort, he removed the plastic and saw deep marks on that turtle's neck. At that moment, the little turtle realized that the turtle had died. The little turtle, overcome with profound sorrow, broke down completely and cried bitterly, his small body trembling with grief. He carefully took the lifeless dead turtle to the nearby shore, gently carrying his departed friend.